don't know already, I have a vlogging channel where I vlog my day. I'm not that regular, but I do vlogging over there. But you're watching my booktube channel where I talk about books. A lot of you have been asking me and have been curious about how I read, when I read, and everything about my reading life, which is a big chunk of my life right now. And at the same time, I am a regular YouTube viewer and I watch a lot of vlogs, a lot of YouTube videos. And there have been people who have been doing weekly vlogs on their main channels. And this is my main channel, my booktube channel. So I thought, why not do weekly vlogs about my reading life? So that's what this is today. This is like vlog 1 of my reading life. So let's get started. First of all, how it would work. It would just be a weekly vlog. So you will get one vlog in a week, which would probably on Monday. So I'll shoot from Monday to Sunday and then edit and upload a vlog on Monday. So that's how it will go on. The lighting is better, isn't it? Let me tell you what I did in my reading life today. So I was reading 2 books today. One was the Sita, Warrior of Mithila, and I'm done with 160 pages of this book. I'm liking it a lot. At the same time, the major chunk of my day went in reading this, Don't Believe in God Till You Experience Him. I actually liked this book in the beginning a lot, but right now it's like a lot of conflicting thoughts in my mind, which are like, oh, I don't know. And then I'm so confused because I need to read both of these books and I am somehow not able to read much. I don't know why. I'm just calling it a day today, so I'm gonna read and sleep after this. Also, I acquired 2 books. Now, a disclaimer. If you're ever gonna watch my book haul videos, these books would be in them. So you better see this and forget. Or just not comment that my book hauls are repetitive. I'm so confused. Should I show you which are the books that I haul or should I not show you? Okay, so right now I'll show you because I've already put that on Instagram. But otherwise you have to just let me know, okay? So because I feel like then the book haul videos would not exist. But I got these 2 books today from Amrit Bookstore. One is The Palace of Illusions by Chitra Banerjee, and I have an idea, I do have this book, I do have a copy of this book, but I bought it again. Also The Boy Who Loved by Joy Datta. So first one is like our book of the month, so we're going to have a discussion of this on 30th of June, and this one is something which I just want to review for this channel. So I took out all the books I have and put it on this sofa, which is a very risky thing to do, but I did it. Let me show you. Check this out. So this is a pile which I've already read, and most of these need to go back to my home. I haven't read this one. It's a bit these. I haven't read these 3 ones. But this is supposed to be the pile which I've already read. This is the one which I'm reading. They're just mixed up because I just finished shooting a video. These 5 are the ones which I haven't read, and I cannot read them very soon. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so you know what? When you read a good book, a really good book, you just want to keep reading. So that's what happened with me when I finished Don't Believe in God Till You Experience Him. And even though I am in the mid of Sita, Warrior of Mithila, I do not want to continue reading that because I'm on a deadline. I need to finish reading this book as well. So I started reading this Warriors of Dharma, Sons of the Gods. It's supposed to be a thriller kind of book, and I was like, that sounds interesting. So I deliberately picked this up. Now that I'm vlogging my reading journey, I have to talk about all the things that bother me, even about my booktube channel, because I really like to talk about it. If I don't talk about it, it just keeps bothering me in my head, and it gets very I do not want to live that kind of life. So sharing really helps. So I was in a little reading slump. First of all, that big emotional drama I went through because of the book I was reading, Don't Believe in God. And secondly, because of the fact that one of you commented that by the time I reviewed Sita, Warrior of Mithila, everybody would have done it. Now the thing is, and I was actually very concerned because of that, and I started reading Sita, Warrior of Mithila. I really loved it. I really how it began, but at the same time, when I reached in the mid, I was like, I am doing this because I want to compete, or maybe I want to put it up before anybody else. But that is not my point of making booktube videos or making videos. It was like I pushed myself into this activity because I want to compete with somebody, which is something I don't want to do. So that's why I just asked myself to calm down, finish the book I was actually reading, Don't Believe in God, and then see what I want to read. I wanted to read this one instead of, Sita Warrior of Mithila. So that's why I'm reading this one. Yesterday night, lights were off, so I could not vlog. But I started two books and I read a lot because I could not sleep. One book is this, Clockwork Angel by Cassandra Clare. I read, I think 82 pages of this book. And also, I told you I started reading this one. I didn't have a bookmark. I read like 60, 70 pages of Warriors of Dharma as well. This is like a novella. It's not even a novel sort of thing because it's 170 pages and then very less text. A lot of space has been given to, putting the chapter. So I am really sure I'll be able to finish it very quickly. So that's the goal today. Today is, I think, Wednesday. I think this week is going to be really productive for my reading. Today is Thursday, which would be like the fourth day of the week, and I'm slow once again. I didn't read a single word today since morning. It's like 8 p.m. I just didn't have time. I had to work. I had to do a lot of work. In the loop, I was reading this thing, Warriors of Dharma by Chandranshu Chaudhary, and it's a very quick read, so I'm hoping I'll finish it today. And I'm also like obviously reading this one, but I am feeling like I should finish Sita Warrior of Mithila instead of focusing on this Infernal Devices book. The confusion about which book to read first always stays. It's like never ending confusion. I'm always confused because I'm reading this one book and then I'm thinking like I should also read that book. But do you guys also get confused because of your huge TBR and your priorities, which means like every book is a priority? Do let me know in the comments down below. But today is going to be like an okayish day. 2 hours left before the end of the day, and I am like at page number 99 of a 170 page book. Let's finish it. So it's 4:30 a.m. right now, and I think it's good time to start the second book. Yeah. So this is again a cheat because I've read half of it, Sita Warrior of Mithila, and bookmark is gone. Now I'll have to actually find out. Don't look at my kitchen because Saturday is my cleaning day. I'm really sorry for this kind of framing, but I just got back from gym and this pillow is half eaten by Frodo because that's what he does when I go out of the house. But yes, this is Monday and I haven't done any reading today, so it's perfect time to close the vlog. So I managed to finish, I guess, 2 books in this vlog. I have no idea. I have just been filming and documenting whenever I used to read. I did not document when I read at night because the lights were off. But this is my first reading vlog, so I think I'll improve the next time. If you have any suggestions to improve this reading vlog, do comment down below, and I hope you enjoyed watching it. My basic idea for making such a video was for you guys to actually see when I read, and also give away nuggets of information which come to my mind. I feel like I'll tell you guys about it, but then there is not a full-fledged video that can be made through that, so I would do that from these kind of vlogs from now onwards. So they will be pretty much full of information. This may not be the one full of information, but you can expect that from future vlogs. If you liked it, do hit thumbs up, and I hope you enjoyed watching it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. I'll be back with another vlog next week.